we're going to add a pause in this Bulgarian split squat. I also call this a rear leg elevated lunge, but what we're going to do is go down and pause for however many seconds your program calls, generally about 2 to 4 seconds. This is a really good way to intensify the exercise without using more weight and putting that pressure on your joints. And when you're going to go down, pause, press through the heel, drive your weight back up. Generally, you're going to pause for about 2 to 4 seconds. Again, just look at your program and follow your program accordingly. And make sure you're putting all the weight on your front foot. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can do this. Your back foot, you can have your shoelaces down on the bench or on your couch, depending on your environment. Or you can also put your toe on the surface behind you. Just depends on what the flexibility of your ankle is and whatever's more uncomfortable. Most importantly, keep your chest up and that your knee is right above your shoelaces or ankle and that your front foot is flat. So that way you're pressing all your weight through your heel and using your glutes. If you look down and you see that your knee is going way past your toe, it could be that you're not sitting back far enough into it. So you need to engage your glutes and sit back, or that front foot possibly might be too far out in front of you. So go ahead and hop that out there, and even curl your toes up in your shoes can help really engage your glutes.